Now, this is dedicated to Lynn Spears, the mother of Britney Spears and Jamie Lynn Spears. This is for you, my godmother, a.k.a. Lily Elvis Jr. Here I go.
Well, that's alright, Mama. Well, that's alright with you. That's alright, Mama. Any way you do, that's alright. That's alright. Well, that's alright now, Mama. Any way you do. Well, Mama done told me, Papa done told me too. Well, that girl is foolish, she ain't no good for you. That's alright. That's alright. Well, that's alright now, Mama. Any way you do.
Thank you very much. TCB, baby. This is for you, Lynn Spears. Come see me. I'll be walking towards Macomb, Mississippi. I'll be there. You be there too.